use deduction. Theology. Theology.
A Big Bird? Hmm? He's not in there.
Theology.
Big Bird, don't you remember we told you Mr. Hooper died? He's dead.
So theology reasons like in the following manner. God exists.
Big Bird, Mr. Hooper's not coming back.
God exists.
Big Bird, when people die, they don't come back.
God exists.
No.
Exists because Christian theology would seek to go further back and prove.
Well, Big Bird, they're dead. They can't come back.
But let's just start with the given assumption that God exists. And then a second assumption, and God loves us.
Big Bird, I'm going to take care of the store. Mr. Hooper, he left it to me. And I'll make you your milkshakes, and we'll all tell you stories, and we'll make sure you're okay.
Sure, we'll look after you.
Yes. This is a generic theology.
You're right, Big Bird. It'll never be the same around here without him. But you know something? We can all be very happy that we had a chance to be with him and to know him and to love him a lot when he was here.
And Big Bird, we still have our memories.
Given these two assumptions, then deduction goes to work and elaborates an explanation for why we are not with God, how we can get to God, and so forth and so on. Deduction is...
We all feel sad, Big Bird.
So deduction seems to have an important role in these abstract systems. But remember, I said it was one of two forms of reasoning that are ordinarily dealt with. Now, the second form of reasoning is...
Big Bird, it has to be this way because...
The second form of reasoning...
It's just because.
Induction, not deduction. Induction.
That's Hooper, Big Bird. Hooper.
An induction,
right,
for those who believe in it, is thought to be, without doubt, a superior form of reasoning to deduction because it leads to a control and a manipulation of real consequences in the world.